how to use your AirPods to take a picture with your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure your AirPods as a camera remote for your iPhone. So when you're wearing them, all you need to do is open up the camera, then squeeze your AirPods, and it'll take a picture with your camera. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, put your AirPods in your ear or just open them up and hold them near your phone. From there, open up the settings on your iPhone and you should see your AirPods come up. And I've tested this with AirPods 4, AirPods Pro 2, and AirPods Pro 3, and this does work. So select your AirPods, then all you need to do is scroll down and under Camera Control, find Camera Remote and select it. Go ahead and configure which one you want. I'm going to have press once. Once you have configured, open up the camera on your iPhone, and all you need to do is squeeze your AirPods. When you do that, it'll start counting down and take a picture. Now you're taking pictures on your iPhone with your AirPods. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.